Conversation practice for beginners. Greetings.
Listen and practice. Conversation 1.
Hi Noelia.
Hello, Alam. How are you today?
I am great. How are you?
Pretty good, thank you.
Good to know.
Listen and practice. Conversation 2.
Hello, Hanley.
Good morning, Anaya. Good to see you again.
Nice to see you too.
Listen and practice. Conversation 3.
Good afternoon, Chris Bell.
Hello, Nicholas. How are things going?
Things are fantastic. How are things with you?
Everything is well with me, thanks for asking.
Listen and practice. Conversation 4.
Excuse me. Are you Mariel Jolie?
No, I'm not. She is over there.
Oh, sorry.
Listen and practice. Conversation 5.
Sophia, this is your notebook.
Oh, thank you. You're in my English class, right?
Yes, I am. I'm Willianie Rodriguez.
Please like and subscribe for more conversation practice.